Hello everyone, my name is Aftab. I am the founder of Fastrack Learning Ad. We have an exciting news for all of you. So come, let's understand what is this Fastrack Learning Yard is all about. I struggled a lot to get a job in my previous years. So that day I thought we should have one company which will genuinely help the students to get the frictionless placement support. It's a one platform where you'll get all kind of knowledge, plus not only knowledge, after training will leave you know, will give you hundreds of opportunities till you crack your interview. A team will be with you, will see to that you are placed in your dream job. Okay, what we do, first thing, see, वी विल आइडेंटिफाई योर नीश. ये क्या होता है सर नीश? नीश एक ऐसी चीज है, वाई द रीजन फॉर बीइंग, इट इज नोन एज इकिगाई. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? इकिगाई बोलते हैं. हर एक स्टूडेंट्स को अपना इकिगाई पता होना चाहिए. ठीक है, इन ऑस्ट्रेलिया, जापान, all the students in India, it is very strange. Everybody is going for science, everybody is going for commerce, everybody is going for arts. They don't know what to do. They don't know their ikigai. So what we do, we find out your ikigai. So how we do it? It's a world famous book, Japanese technique. You can go and research about this book. जापान में हर एक बच्चे का उसका इकिगाई पता होता है स्कूल डेज में ही. 8 after 8 they do it. So to know your ikigai, you should know what you're good at. For example, I am very good in training, teaching. So I should look for, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है बात करना, लोगों से मिलना, घूमना, ये मुझे अच्छा लगता है. So I should look for a job wherein all these things are involved. If I don't like teaching, training, I should never ever get into training or teaching field. Understanding? If you don't like mathematics, you should never ever go for engineering branch. The same way, if you don't like the basic literature, you should not go to, literature, book writing, all those stuffs. Understanding? So you have to first identify what you are good at. Next thing, what you love the most. ऐसे क्या चीजें आपको बहुत मजेदार, बहुत मजा लगता है. थर्ड वन, दुनिया को क्या चाहिए, what world needs. ठीक है, you have to, world needs many things. They need best engineer, best lawyer, best software developer, they need best in everything. When you will become best, when you love that work. Understanding? What world needs, you have to identify one problem of the world, and you can see how can you get paid for that problem. Understood? So we will find out your ikigai, my dear students. So what does recruiters are looking nowadays? Recruiters are looking for somebody. First they'll give you, I don't know how many of you have written the appeared for different kind of interviews, maybe Infosys, Wipro, TCS, whatever it is. First round, even you go for government exam, the first round will be reasoning and aptitude test, right? 60 questions will be there on mental ability kind of questions. So what is 1% or 1% of 999, what is 0.1% of 1 billion, all these kind of a question on percentage, blood relation, coding, decoding. Understood? So aapko, so why they ask these kind of questions? They want somebody who can solve maximum number of the problems in a very short number of duration. Understanding? उनके कंपनी में बहुत सारा problems है. They are calling you because they want some expert who can solve their company's problem, and they'll also look for the candidate who is having some visual intelligence, उसका IQ इतना अच्छा हो, so that कभी भी एक problem का file उसके सामने दिया जाए तो he can think from all the angles and he can come to the right conclusion. So that's why recruiters are looking for a candidate who can solve maximum number of a problem. The second one, the recruiters looks is communication skills. पहला ये round होता है, yes or no? Second round will be HR round, wherein they'll be checking your interview techniques में आपका किस तरीके से बात करते हो, वाद संवाद किस तरीके से हो रहा है. They'll see your communication skill, specifically English, because we need to speak to multinational people, right? So communication, specifically English, is very important, my dear students. We'll also train you on that. Third one, confidence building. Confidence कब आता है पता है? When you have a knowledge about some, कोई भी field का आप expert हो जाते हो ना, आप automatically you'll get a confidence. If you tell me go and give a lecture for doctors, I'll get terrified because I will not get a confidence because I don't have a knowledge. I can train graduates because I have a knowledge, right? I know what is best for them, because I'm already certified, we can help you better way. Because how I got this confidence, I already trained and placed thousands of students. I got a confidence, okay, these are all things recruiters are looking, this is the problem statement, I can help many students. So समझ में आ रहा है? So इसी रीति ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, आपको भी confidence build कराएंगे. Next one. Now one of the student, he got placed because he has written, what is your skill? He has written Googling. What is this Googling, sir? So when HR asked this, sir, if I don't know anything, my first habit is I go and research and I Google and I learn it by myself. Then he got selected. So self-learning attitude, whether क्या ये छात्र में self-learning attitude है या नहीं है, वो देखते हैं, ठीक है. और एक, it is very important nowadays. So they are looking for somebody who can adjust to the environment, changing to the environment. उसका आपका भी आराम से लाइफ टाइम होता है. एकदम से आपको 7 बजे उठने को बोल दिया जाए, तो 5 बजे उठने बोल दिया जाए, तो नाइट शिफ्ट में डाल दिया जाए, आपको अहमदाबाद में डिपोर्ट कर दिया जाए. So is this candidate will adjust, or no sir, my mother is telling no sir, मुझे जुकाम आ जाएगी, no sir, I have a headache. So they don't want a candidate who gives a reason. They want a candidate who adjusts to the environment. Understanding? So these all things HRs are looking in the candidate. Obviously your core domain skill, which we have already learned 3 years in your college. Now this is an era of artificial intelligence. We all know how to make a presentation, how to make Word, Excel sheet, email writing. We all know this, but many graduates in tier 2 and tier 3 cities, they don't even know how to do this. Don't worry, अभी ये तो सिखाएंगे. इसके साथ ये already सभी students को पता होता है. What we do, we train you on advanced computer skills with AI. You know how to create PPT, right? Using AI, how can you create this PPT within 2 minutes? We train you on all those stuffs. How to create Word format within seconds, Excel sheet. Understood? इससे क्या होगा, कंपनी का प्रोडक्टिविटी ज़्यादा होगा. 10 लोगों का काम एक AI certified trainer or a employee can do this, right? Next one, my dear students. There is one more method to know your niche. इसको बोलते हैं psychometric method. Psychiatrist, मनोविज्ञान. Understood? So एक फ्री का नुस्खा है, लिख लीजिए, www.personalitymax.com. When you click on this, my dear students, when you click on this, a window will pop up like this. A window will pop up like this. Understood? Click on start free test. Click on start free test. It will give you 401 questions. Just see here. It will give you 401 questions. Being center of attention, आपको स्टेज में आके बात करना, सेंटर ऑफ अटेंशन, आपको अनकंफर्टेबल फील होता है, एक्सिलरेटिंग, मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है, आई रियली लव इट, बट फ्यू स्टूडेंट दे हेजिटेट, राइट? सो मुझे तो अच्छा लगता है. आपको अगर अच्छा लगता है, एक्सिलरेटिंग पे क्लिक करो, नहीं सर मुझे नहीं लगता है तो छोड़ दो. तो लाइक दिस इट विल आस्क यू 401 क्वेश्चन, माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स. आफ्टर दैट इट विल क्रिएट अ रिपोर्ट ऑन योर पर्सनैलिटी. अंडरस्टूड? एक रिपोर्ट बनेगा, what are your strengths, what are your weaknesses, where you should go, where you should not go. Understood? Then, and it will, in the last 2 pages, it will recommend you. See, dear Manoj, dear Radha, these are the professions perfectly matching for you. If you go here, the probability of you succeeding in your life will be higher. Understood? Sir, how it will get to know, sir? वो क्या बोलेगा मुझे? It will ask you a question. Which subject do you hate the most? It will give you science, maths, English. If you click on maths, it will stop all the career options which are related to mathematics. If you don't love mathematics, if you don't love fundamentals of mathematics, अगर आपका basic, आपको बचपन से उसको आपने hate किया है, then it will never ever recommend you to become a maths teacher. It will never ever recommend you to become a engineer, because engineering, mathematics, scientist, where there is a stress, strain, all those calculation is involved, वो सभी opportunities को आपको रद्द करेगा. समझ में आ रहा है? Why? Because you don't love that subject, you hate that subject. If you are hating it now, even if you become after 10 years, still you will be hating that subject because you have not learned the fundamentals. Understood? But there are some students who will love mathematics. So उनको लिए, if they love it, probably ये होगा 10 साल के बाद भी वो सब्जेक्ट को लाइक करेंगे. Understood? So it will give you a career opportunities like that, my dear students. Now coming to the PPT. ठीक है? Now I'll also give you some of the glimpse. I told you, right? Through AI, how can you create a world-class presentation, my dear students? Just click on gamma.app. इसको Google में जाओ. Just click on gamma.app. You'll get a window like this, my dear students. You'll get a window like this. यहाँ पे create new पे जाओ. Already I have created just see my profile. I have created so many PPTs using gamma.app because I am a smart worker. ठीक है? I was not knowing this. When I got certified in AI, I learned all these skills. So go to create new, click on generate, click the topic which you want to create the presentation. Understood? For example, you can create anything. Create a beautiful presentation on Indian democracy. Any topic, my dear student. Indian democracy. ठीक है? अभी जाओ. Now outline generate हो गया. ठीक है? Outline के बाद हाँ, you can create through one email ID. You can create 6 to 7 presentations. See, your outline is getting ready. If you click on generate, you'll get a world-class PPT like this. ठीक है? So I already created a I created so many PPTs here. Recently, I created one of the PPT. You will get a PPT like this. Instantly, you'll get a presentation like this. So assume you are working in Swiggy and Zomato, and Swiggy launched some coupon system. Understood? And your manager told you, Aftab, research about Swiggy coupon system and what are its implication on Zomato. So see, this is not created by me. This is created by AI. It will research all the research papers, all the customer feedback, everything it will analyze, and it will create the world-class presentation. You have to make some nominal changes and you can present. You can download this and you can present it to your manager. Understood? So like this. And we have one more tool called app.udly.ai. app.udly.ai. For example, assume you have an interview tomorrow at Cisco and you don't know what kind of questions are coming and you have to get prepared, right? So don't worry. This is a platform which is used by many recruiters. So what they do, they don't have a time to take interview of each and every student. So they use AI tools to take your interviews nowadays. Understood? If you make slightest mistake, grammatical mistake also, it will capture you. So click on start role playing. Click on start role playing. You'll get a dashboard like this, my dear students. You'll get a dashboard like this. Click on practice. Click on interview. And obviously you have to do this in laptop. Assume you are applying for a software engineering role. No sir, my company, I am appearing for Wipro, whatever it is, just write any company for software engineer role or mechanical engineer role. So now click on allow and click on start. A bot will come like Siri. I don't know how many of you use iPhones. एक bot आएगा Siri जैसी female की voice में और पूछेगी, Hi Shweta, please introduce about yourself, and you will narrate. You will have 30 second to 1 minute time to tell your introduction. Now click on next. Tell me, why should I hire you? Next question. Tell me your 5 key strengths. So it will ask you 5 technical questions also based on your whatever character either you are using for software engineering role or testing role, or is it a customer service executive role. Based on that, it will ask you 10 questions. click on submit. After this, there is a window called submit. Click on that, and dear students, believe me, it will generate one report, and it will tell you what is your scorecard. Are you ready for the interview or not? And it will also tell you, see, Madhu, Shweta, you have created 19 grammatical mistakes. Don't use this sentence. Use this sentence for a better impact in the interview. Understood? So if you practice here 10 times and go, my dear students, and you'll get your scorecard. If your scorecard is above 75, then congratulations to you. You'll be having a more likely chances of getting a job easily. Understood? So why I'm telling you, I have to show you the glimpse, right? What all things we do. The next one, my dear students, not only this, we also train you on. Now it is a era of AI, right? Now it is a era of AI. Through ChatGPT, Open ChatGPT will create your LinkedIn world-class LinkedIn profile. Through LinkedIn is an ocean, right? You have to go and get the fish. What are the fishes here? Offer letters. So you have to, through your LinkedIn profile, how can you get a job? You have to give a prompt to the ChatGPT, Open ChatGPT. I am a fresher. I have done BCA. I am looking for a job in Wipro for a so and so role. Please create a world-class professional email message. I want to send it in LinkedIn as well as I want to send it in a mail. So it will give a format like this, my dears. This is not done by me. This is done by completely ChatGPT. Copy this and share it to 15 HRs. Knock 15 doors. At least somebody will open the doors, right? So these, we have so many tools. Understood? This is, I'm just giving you the free techniques to how to get a job. And one more thing, nowadays people upload their CVs in Indeed, Shine, Naukri. Sir, I'm applying so many ways, but still I'm not getting calls. You know why? You are not using ATS format resumes. We will give you, you have to click on this link. This link I'm putting it in the brief this one description. Go and click this. Is a free of cost. Okay? Just click this. You'll get a 13,000 business PPTs plus 200 plus resume ATS resume formats. Download it. Adi hengidela. Based on that only you create your resume and upload it in the Naukri, Indeed, Shine, Work India, whatever the platforms you have, Monster. And see how you have to first understand how the algorithm works in the LinkedIn, Naukri. For example, I uploaded my resume 5 years back. My ranking will be very less, very low. If somebody uploads his resume today, his ranking will be higher. This is how he'll get more calls. I have uploaded 5 years back. I'll not get calls. Understood? Sir, I uploaded 3 months back. Unka ranking niche aa jayega. So what to do if you want to keep your ranking always on top? Every day you should go to your LinkedIn profile, Naukri profile. So wherever you have uploaded, open it, delete your resume, add your resume or make some changes. Name delete करके फिर से name आपका ही add कर देना. इससे क्या हो जाएगा? उसको क्या लगेगा? आपका एल्गोरिदम उनका बैकएंड में इस तरीके से, इफ यू आर अ सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर यू कैन रिलेट टू मी व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू टेल, उनका एल्गोरिदम इस तरीके से सेट किया गया होता है. जो भी फ्रेश अपडेटेड रेज्यूमे होता है दैट उनका रैंकिंग फर्स्ट में आएगा, बाकी वालों का सभी रैंकिंग नीचे आएगा. आई नेवर गेट एनी कॉल्स फ्रॉम लिंक्डइन, सॉरी Naukri. Why? Because I updated my resume 7-8 years back. If I uploaded now, I'll get a calls because my ranking ऊपर चला जाएगा. So first, whenever HR looks for any candidate in Naukri, it will give them who is actively using Naukri 3 days back, 1 week back, उनका profile का numbers ज़्यादा recommend करेगा. So these are the some of the techniques which you will not be knowing. ठीक है? So if you love to join this program, it is 100 days program, my dear students. Yes, I also want to grow. Even you also want to grow. I read one book. और book का नाम था $100 million offer. $100 million offer. That book inspired me a lot. And I decided to give such an offer for my students. They should not say no for the offer. I have brought 2 offers for you. If you want to enroll for this program and if you want to work in corporate, you have to download our Fastrack Learning app from the Google Play Store. Again, link will be given in the description. Okay? And sir, what is the total fees? Total fees is 5,000 rupees if you want to make a one time payment. Sir, I have a trust issue, I don't have a problem, I have a financial problem, I have just paid the fees. If you have many problems, don't worry, give me pay after placement 7,000 rupees. We'll have a small agreement copy between both of us, ठीक है, a fast track learning ad and a candidate with 2 witness signature, ठीक है, will not take any loan behalf of you, but yes, after placement do pay the fees, okay, because we also want to survive, we want to scale, we are helping you, you also help us. Whenever value exchange is happening, then only we can progress. Sir, what if I'm not placed? If you are not placed, no need to pay us any fees, understood? And sir, if what if I paid, if you paid and if you don't find any value in the training, you can get a 100% refund, 100% refund, my dear students. So you have nothing to lose here, right? All is win-win opportunity for you. I believe all the students will take this admission, and do share this video to somebody who is in need of job, and do share me your views in the comment section, because your comments will inspire us to do more and more. We have English trainers, reasoning and aptitude trainers, full-time HRs. We need to give all the salaries of the teachers also, and you know, I'm using this office, I need to give the rent, everything, the electricity bill hota hai, internet charges hota hai, app ka fees hota hai, सबका भी fees होता है. जब भी value exchange होगा, you will be also be responsible, and I'll also be responsible. Together we will build a very good nation. First we'll build a very good family, then we'll also build automatically, अगर हमारा family strong हो जाएगा, हमारा nation भी बड़ा हो जाएगा, understood? Economically strong हो जाएगा. With this note, I'm winding up the session. See you in the training. Thank you all.